What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to check for a system update on Android. So the question is, why check for a system update? After all, your device might be working fine, so why change it? System updates can make your Android device more exciting and improve functionality. Arguably more important though, they can make your device more secure. Now there is some good news. A system update is generally easy to do and usually completes in 5 minutes or less. The tricky part can be finding the update option if this is your first time doing this or if you haven't done this in a while. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, before checking for an update, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Now updates can be done on a mobile network, but they can be large in size. To start this tutorial, we'll pull down from the top of the screen once. This brings up your phone's notification shade and settings dock. Pulling down on the notification shade again expands the settings dock. We'll then look for the gear icon. This is your phone's general settings, and we're going to click on this. Now this brings up the general settings menu for your device. So we're going to scroll down until we see system, and then we're going to click on this. Now this brings up our system settings. Now you can see at the bottom of this list we have an option called advanced, and we're going to click on that. You can see this expands the system settings page. Then we'll look for system update at the bottom of the list. Now you can see mine has a footnote about my Android version. Now this could be a helpful feature if you want to know if your device is compatible with certain hardware, software, or if you're working with tech support. Anyways, we can go ahead and click on system update. Now you can see this brings up the system update page, and your device may check for an update automatically. Now it may be necessary to check for a manual update if your device hasn't done so in a long time, and we can do so by clicking on check for update. Now you can see this starts circling around. It's pretty quick here, and we don't have anything going on. Now if an update is available, a new page will appear showing the available update and all its features. Simply click download and install to start the update. The rest is straightforward, as the system will guide you through the process. Now if your system is up to date like mine was, you'll get a page notifying you of this status. If this is the case, there's nothing else to do. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now here's something I like to do. Comments may also be featured on my Instagram as my way to show my appreciation and share some of the content. Now there are 3 ways to support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link found in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would like to buy, and anything that you do buy from the storefront does support the channel. The next way to support the channel is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to support the channel is just by clicking that subscribe button. Now liking and subscribing are important. Those are your ways to vote on whether you like the video or the channel. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers. If new viewers see lots of likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the videos are helpful and the channel is worth watching. So that is pretty much it. And until next time, Leon checking out.